Hi everyone! こんにちは! I'm YUCa. Welcome to YUCa's Japanese cooking. Today we are going to make Nama Yatsuhashi. Have you ever eaten this sweet? Yatsuhashi is a secret, local, famous Japanese sweet from Kyoto. So some of you, if you've been to Kyoto, you may know the sweet. Usually it has triangle shape. The traditional flavor is soybean paste. But these days there are so many flavors like strawberry flavor, chocolate flavor, there's a lot. So when I visit Kyoto, I always looking forward to find the new flavors. So how about making yatsuhashi at home? So here are my helpers, Luigi and Mario in a basket. And during this video, I introduce useful cooking techniques and ideas. So please watch in detail until the end. Okay everyone, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. Okay, so yatsuhashi is ready. So let's try tasting. Itadakimasu. Looks so delicious and smells cinnamon. It smells so good. The gyuhi, very thin mochi, is very chewy. The homemade wrapping paste is not too sweet, which I like. Thin mochi, the gyuhi, makes it easy to eat. I know there are so many flavors nowadays, but my favorite is original flavor. This one. ごちそうさまでした。 Here are the tips and recommendations of today's menu. Tip: the thin mochi is very important for yatsuhashi, so please mix the glutinous rice flour and water thoroughly to make very smooth mixture. Tip: after making the mixture, heat it up in a microwave until it becomes chewy and moist. Tip: to make a square shape gyuhi, place a pair of chopsticks between the two sides. Thank you so much for everyone. How was today's recipe? I'll see you next time. Bye bye!